Hello YouTube, it's me Bruno98, and today we're going to go ahead and fix this iPod photo. So yeah, nothing was really wrong with it. The battery started expanding, which is why I took the thing apart. I also decided I wanted to swap out the click wheel because this one's got this really fucking ugly stain on it. So yeah, here we've got a replacement iPod battery. This one's like a good 250 milliamp hours bigger than the one that was in here. Windows really go away. And also a much more clean click wheel. Let's see if I can get it out of the envelope. So you guys can kind of see through the wax paper. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and took apart the iPod. I have to grab my toolkit here because I do in fact need the Torx screwdriver. That is the iPod right there. It runs the entire thing. This is the screen, which we're just going to leave in there because I'm not replacing the front panel like I kind of wanted to due to the price is skyrocketing on Amazon. Of course, the wax paper is stuck to the adhesive. Alright, so we're inserting the new one in there. Of course, it's not going to sit as flush, I guess. Although it should. I can get it in there properly. Might have to clean up this old adhesive. Alright, so we got it in. Again, you have to line up the little notches on the click wheel to the little notches in the plate, and everything works. So now we just start the reassembly process. Well, this video is going to have to continue at a later date due to this. Yeah. So the click wheel was not seated properly. And when I went to pull apart the iPod again to properly seat the click wheel, my little blade punctured the screen and cracked it. Now it looks like some of the blackness is going away, so it might end up being functional-ish, but that would trigger the hell out of me. And yeah, I just went ahead and ordered another screen, which is like $9. So yeah, we got it fixed. So after ordering the wrong screen and, you know, having to order the correct one, it does actually work now. Let's go here into settings, about, you guys can see Noah's iPod, 3,354 songs, 0 photos, capacity 27.8 gigabytes, available 3.6, blah, 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 blah. And yeah, it works perfectly. The only thing this iPod needs is a bigger storage drive, and it would be perfect. In fact, this is actually now what I consider my daily iPod over this 160 gig classic, mainly because this 160 gig classic has a crap DAC compared to the photo. So, yep, as you guys know, I replaced the battery earlier on in this video, and battery life has been excellent, as well as the click wheel. Click wheel is working beautifully as well. Yeah, I'm just very happy with this iPod photo. Wish I could give you guys a sound sample, but, you know, copyright bullshit. So yeah, works perfectly, and it's pretty much my main iPod. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.